Adam with Big Wing Boys. Today we're going to be replacing the warped oil pan on the Qatar space program. And I'll show you how to install an oil return bung without a welder. I'm going to tackle the oil pan off camera, and then we'll mock up the new oil pan to get the bung in place. So we've already got the oil pan off. First we're going to start by putting a pilot hole in, and then we'll go to the step bit to get the right size hole. Probably use some oil. That worked. So we've got a pilot hole drilled. We put some paper and tape in here to make sure that no shaving will end up down in the bathroom. I'm going to quickly switch over to the step bit. And we've already marked out how far down we're going to go for this here bung. Hopefully this thing doesn't tear my arm off.
I don't think that was a big enough pilot hole.
Don't forget eye protection. It's always a good idea. We did it.
You did it.
Alright. Get this thing cleaned off.
Jump cut right here.
Oh, we went exactly as low as we
Possibly could.
Yeah. We gotta clean those shavings off with a file, and then we'll be good. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna file this down and make sure it's a nice smooth mating surface with these gaskets that this bung comes with. And that was just a $10 bung I got off eBay. It worked fine for the last oil pan, so I don't see any reason it wouldn't work. Alright, so now all we gotta do is throw this bung in. Just grab one of these gaskets, throw it on there. Get another one. Do this. And torque it down. I'd probably put a little bit of oil behind that, just to make sure it's sealed real good. But that's all there is to it. As you can see, it doesn't take very long, and it works just fine. Even if it does leak, it's not going to leak a whole lot. Oil doesn't really make its way up there that often. You don't have to follow me. I was going to walk over there.
Alright.
So here's the old pan. It's a little beat up, but this might be warped. The reason I decided to switch to a steel pan is because of this gasket here it uses. I feel like this will do a lot better of a job sealing around the oil pan than this little thing would. But it didn't really help that it got pinched off, so that was probably why it was leaking. But this might be warped, I don't know. Better to be safe than sorry. And as you can see, this one we had to cut into. But that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please consider giving us a like, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing. Big win.